Oh wow, this one's really fun. This takes your whole body to knead together. We have 96 slices of cheese on this grilled cheese. We gotta play with fire.
Oh my goodness.
Welcome back to Making It Big. This is the show where I make giant food for my friends and special guests. I've always wanted to make a giant grilled cheese. No one's asked me to do it, but I love cheese pulls, and I've been really inspired by this channel called HellthyJunkFood. They've mastered the art of making these crazy giant foods. I thought it'd be fun to invite them in to see if they maybe judge one of my creations, so let's go meet them.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey,
Nice to meet you. How are you?
So happy to be here.
Yeah, well,
great.
thanks for coming in. Just for the people who might not know who you guys are, what do you guys do?
My name is Julia and this is JP. We're JP and Julia, and we started Healthy Junk Food back in 2013 to try to actually be healthier.
We started just doing copycat recipes of like Big Macs and Crunchwrap Supremes, making it healthier. And then we're like, hey, let's just make it bigger.
I like the way you think. You guys have made several amazing giant grilled cheese videos. One of the trickiest things about making a giant grilled cheese is you gotta get that ultimate cheese pull. So when I get to that point, I might ask you guys to come and help me out because I've never done it before, and I really think your expertise would help me make that cheese pull really awesome. Is that good?
Listen, I'm good with that as long as you have tomato soup. I need
Done.
to be dipping it in there.
So you guys feel free to hang out, chill out. I'm gonna go work in the kitchen and we'll go from there. See you guys.
We're here for you.
Thanks.
Rooting for you. Rooting for you. Go A-Team. That's for Alvin.
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna make giant grilled cheese, and the first step in giant grilled cheese is giant bread. So we're gonna take 9 cups of warm water. This will help make sure that the yeast is nice and activated, not too hot, it'll kill it. Oil, salt, sugar, and yeast. And just gonna mix this together until all of the sugar and the salt and the yeast is kind of like dissolved in the water. The yeast will kind of incorporate and start growing. All right, that's looking pretty good. Next step is 10 cups of flour. It's a lot of flour, but we're gonna do this in batches too. This is only half of it. I'm trying to make sure there's no huge lumps. Welcome to ASMR with Alvin. So this is about half of the flour, and we're gonna add the second half. This is a total of around, I think, 40 cups of flour. This is gonna make enough bread for the whole entire dough. Okay, so it's coming together. We're gonna turn it out onto the table, finish kneading. Oh boy. Bench flour. Oh boy. Woo! LeBron James. LeBron James. LeBron James. There we go. Oh, that was a bad idea. It's gonna start kneading this guy. Oh, we're gonna need a lot of flour. This looks like Jabba the Hutt. Whew. Okay, this is the dough. I'm gonna call him my bread baby, and this is enough dough for both slices of bread for the grilled cheese. So we're actually gonna divide him in half. Ooh, that's cool. All right. And then, there he goes. Awesome. So we have 2 dough balls. Each one will make 1 slice of bread for the grilled cheese. These will need to proof for 30 minutes, so I'm gonna cover them and wait for them to grow up in size. We have a lot of time while the bread proofs, so we're gonna make tomato soup because you can't have a giant grilled cheese without a lot of tomato soup. We're gonna go in with a good amount of olive oil, as Gordon Ramsay likes to say. We're gonna throw in some vegetables. So we have garlic, we have celery, and we have onions. Oh, it smells great. So we're gonna add some salt to taste, pepper, and some tomato paste. And this has to be cooked out a bit. Kind of spread this around, fry it up a bit. It's very tomatoey. I'm getting a tomato steam face bath. Well, it's cooked down a bit, caramelizing real nice. So now I think it's ready to put in the liquid ingredients. We're going with the crushed tomatoes. We have 8 28-ounce cans of tomatoes, 224 ounces of tomatoes total. And then 6 quarts of vegetable broth. Woohoo! And also, some nice fresh basil. I love this stuff. Always sniff your basil before you put it in your food, guys. It doesn't change anything about the food, but it makes you feel better. We're gonna bring this to a boil, and I'll see you guys in a bit. It's been 30 minutes. This is looking amazing. So at this point, we have a lot of tomatoes in here. That's a lot of acidity, so we wanna add some baking soda. It's basic, like a couple of my friends, and it's gonna help balance and counteract that acidity from the tomatoes. Okay, so it's been simmering for a while. It's kind of mellowed out a bit. Now we're gonna play with it. This is probably one of my favorite weapons of mass destruction in the kitchen. It is a immersion blender. Woo! We're gonna be blending and pureeing all those vegetables we added in earlier, some of the crushed tomatoes, some of the basil. This is looking pretty good. Obviously, you gotta add some heavy cream. This is not diet food, but it's freaking amazing, so we're gonna go for it. All those beautiful streaks just start coming to the surface. Oh, that's good. Well, we made 3 gallons of creamy tomato soup to go along with the grilled cheese. We're gonna take this to the back and continue making our giant grilled cheese. Okay, so our dough has been proofing for roughly an hour. These will be the size of each bread slice because it's the largest pan that we can fit in a tasty oven. Come on. Okay, so we're gonna use our fingertips, spread these out to the corners of the tray. In this process, we're also knocking out a little bit of the air that had come from the bacteria farts during the proofing section. Alrighty, that's one. Let's move this off to here. Number 2. Come on, whoa, that's awesome. I will never get tired of that. Woo! Oh wow, this one's really fun. Trying to get a lot of the air out of this. Cool, well, this one looks great. These 2 are going to proof for another 30 minutes to do their final rise before we get them into the oven. These have been proofing for about 30 minutes. They got a little bigger in size. It's gotten a lot smoother and shinier. And basically, these are ready for the oven. We're gonna bake 2 giant slices of bread. Oh, I got it. We have some pretty awesome bread slices right now. One thing I think that's important about grilled cheese is that it is made with slices of bread, not the ends of the bread. So that means both sides do not have a crust on them. We're gonna get in here. Let's start off slow. Whoa, this is so cool. Since both sides of these need to be trimmed, I have an idea that I think will make it look like it is trimmed. So we're gonna go with a microplane and sort of grate off the crust of the bread and make some breadcrumbs. Oh, it's working. Oh yeah. The strategy worked out nicely. Because I think if I went in with a knife on both sides, I'm not amazing at knife skills. I might have just destroyed the bread and made it like not usable at all, but it's looking pretty good. Okay, so I've been chiseling away at this thing for quite a while. So yeah, this is looking pretty good. This is our bottom slice. Kind of has a little well into it, like a little bread well with little bread walls so that the cheese will not escape. We have 4 beautiful and amazing cheeses. We have mozzarella, cheddar, American, and Havarti. So we'll start with cheddar, and then we'll go with mozzarella, some American, and some Havarti. Look at that. 4 fit perfectly. I'm gonna build a grid here. 4 kinds of cheeses. We have 24 rows of cheese. Each row has 4 cheeses in it. So we have 96 slices of cheese on this grilled cheese. Okay, so we're gonna brush this with butter, a lot of melted butter. It's a lot of bread, so you need a lot of butter. We're gonna put like 2 sticks of butter on this guy. It's a lot, but hey, it's gonna be great. And if you're eating grilled cheese, I don't think you're worried too much about the fat content anyways, so. Okay, so this is the really, really fun part. We gotta play with fire. This is a cool tool that spreads out the flame over a larger area because it's kind of hard to get this bread into a pan that's big enough to toast it, so we're gonna use fire instead, and I like playing with it, so. Oh yeah. Okay, so I've been here for about like 30 minutes just searing this grilled cheese. It smells great. The butter, the bread, it's browning. We're making brown butter basically. This looks really good. We're getting a really nice crust, and we're gonna actually take this guy. This beautiful display of cheese, 96 slices, and we're going to put it in the oven. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Guys, look at this. This looks so awesome. It's like a checkerboard full of cheese. I'm super excited that it kept its shape. Come on, okay. And it's going together real nicely. We're gonna put it back in the oven for like 20 minutes or so. So off we go, and whew, this is a heavy grilled cheese. Oh my God. All right. This is the final baked grilled cheese. It's been in the oven for a total of 45 minutes. The top and the bottom are thoroughly heated. It's crispy, it's crackly, if you can hear. We have these giant pizza peels that we're gonna try to use to get this onto the board. That's one. Come on, Alvin. Here we go. Nice. I'm about to cut it, but the thing is, this is a pretty tricky part, and I don't want to mess it up, so I'm gonna call in the experts. JP, Julia, you wanna come in and help me out?
I'm here to help you, Alvin.
Thank you. How's it going?
Good.
That's bigger than ours. That
Oh,
we
is
made
it?
on our channel.
Oh, I thought yours was like super huge.
No, I'm proud.
Okay. There we go.
Oh my goodness.
We're in. Come on, Alvin.
Come on, Alvin. You have beautiful hands.
Thank you. Put concealer on them sometimes. One nice long stroke through to make sure we're even. So the strategy, I think, we should try to get our hands underneath, try to support as much of it along the seam as possible.
Yeah, like this?
Actually, so maybe Julie, if you want to get this area.
Oh yeah, so like a little cheese baby.
1, 2, 3, slow, slow.
Slow, slow. Oh, it smells glorious. Oh my goodness.
That was crazy.
Excuse me.
I heard you guys wanted tomato soup with your grilled cheese. Oh, I almost spilled it. That was close.
My goodness.
Oh yeah, mamacita.
Don't hurt yourself there. I'm gonna get a center. Excuse me.
Oh no.
Wow, he's going in.
Oh, you guys do not mess around. The flavor, this is Flavor Town. See, you got a little one and you got a giant one.
Oh,
Cheers.
that's pretty good, too. Yeah, I think you have a little something on your face.
Julie, can you help me?
Do you want to take that one home?
Uh-huh.
All right, we'll see you guys next time. Thank you.
Bye.
Well, that was fun. I got to live out my dream of making a giant grilled cheese. Who better than JP and Julia to judge if it was awesome? It sounded like they were pretty impressed with what we were able to make today. That was awesome. And here's the thing, if you guys have any ideas of giant foods that you would like to see us make on this show, leave a comment, tell us what you want to see, send me a message. We do read them. But until next time, peace.